Hi, good morning. I'm just telling you about being positive in this beautiful morning. No need to close the book when the bad thing happen in your life. Just turn the page and begin a new chapter. Stay positive always. When problem come into your life like non-stop rain, remember that this positive attitude will always be the umbrella. It's always protect you due to face to any problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.